All right, this is the thicker metal tape that we embossed at the house earlier today. And this is some illustration board or construction, whatever you want to call it. I'll show you the part number here shortly. Here we go. Here's the part number. Smooth Pro 2x2 white. Bought this at Lowe's. I think it's about $6 a sheet. It makes really good material to put metal tape, airbrushing, just whatever you want to use it for. And it's pretty durable too. Fairly easy to cut. So, anyway, I'm not going to make a long video. Just peel it off. You can save this or throw it away. Usually I throw it away because once it's been embossed, it's kind of shot. So like I said, this does not have to be perfect. You see how it looks. And you always want to practice your craft. If you have a few minutes here and there, you don't have to spend hours and hours working on something. Just a few minutes here and there when an idea occurs to you. And keep plucking away at it, as the old people say. Because if you don't do it, who will? And time is going to pass by anyway, so you might as well be constructive. So, as you can see, it's quite sturdy. I'm pushing on it and not losing any of my embossing, and that's why I like using it. I did buy some wax paper today from the store, so I won't have to use the CD label making sheets anymore, but we'll see. I see so many people worry about appearance and how the background looks and this and that. The important thing is that you're working on your craft. Yeah, it's messy, it's junky, but it's just how it is sometimes. So to get that end result that you see in your mind, and you're trying to let it out, to be creative. And so I like the way that steampunk look. I've got a couple ideas about that, so like I said, we just keep plucking away at it. That thoughts occurred to me, and we'll go from there. I think everybody should have a constructive hobby. I mean, what you do in your spare time is your business, but it either can be constructive or destructive. There was a time I used to get drunk every weekend, just having a good time with my friends and partying, spending money, and then meet Monday morning all hungover. Well, after a while, that kind of got old. So let me try something constructive that's going to put some money in my pockets and doesn't give me a headache. So here we are. There's nothing wrong with drinking, nothing wrong with anything. Everything in moderation, as they say. To each his own. Because I'm not your dad, so you do what you want to. But those hangovers are a booger. They can hurt. Really like this thicker tape, because I bought some thinner tape from Amazon, and it's kind of flimsy. It's actually ductwork tape, and this is also ductwork tape, but it's a lot thicker, so I just like the way that it's sturdy. And it doesn't have to match up perfectly because it's kind of an abstract steampunk Metal Gear type design. This is one of Tim Holtz's 3D embossing folders. Bought it on Amazon and it does a really nice job. So we have that. And then I made this sign for my desk that says watch us on YouTube a while back. It's just a paint stirring stick with the metal tape with the press on vinyl letters. I put them 3 layers thick to kind of build it up a little bit. So now I went around it with my embossing tools to kind of sharpen the image. So now I'm going to mount it on here, and that's going to add a little zing to that. I think I've got enough to fix that. Yeah. Good at just all practices. It's cardboard, paper, and tape, so you can't really mess it up. Can't worry about all of that. You just join yourself. That like that. So and then I've got my double-sided tape. You can glue it, you can use this, it's several ways to do it. I mean, it's not rocket science. Because I want there to be a little gap, kind of raise up off of the board a little bit. A little bit higher. And there you have it. Got a little lip there, and I'll show you why I did that. To make it give it a more of a 3D raised effect. So we'll put this to the side. We'll continue on with our next part.